Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of College Dunia's Thoughts and Education. Today we have Ms. Priyanka Bhattacharya, Head of the Department, Hospital Management of Shama Prasad Institute of Technology and Management, Kolkata. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Ma'am, before I move on to the Q&A, I would request you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bhattacharya, Assistant Professor and HOD of Hospital Management in Shama Prasad Institute of Technology and Management. Previously, I started my journey in Shama Prasad previous year only. Before that, I was working as a cardiovascular perfusion, so I had been in contact with hospital industry long ago since 2015-16. Then I shifted my scope to management, and then I had been working in a management profession in certain departments in the hospitals and like AMRI, RN Tikor and all. Then I came as an assistant professor and I was working previously in some other colleges, and then I came to Shama Prasad, and it's a very good opportunity for me.
Thank you so much for introducing yourself to the viewers. Ma'am, as a head of the Department of Hospital Management, what do you think that what are the factors that make this program the best for students to opt? Or you can say which will help students to outperform and stand apart from the crowd? Then what it would be?
Okay, first of all, I'd like to say that Bachelor's in Hospital Management is a very promising course which has a very bright future ahead. As a faculties of SITM, I would like to say that we guide students, we make them ready, we give them a vast idea about the technological and the digital transformations which are occurring in this hospital industry, so that they will be well accustomed with those when they are facing the hospital industry. So.
Great, ma'am. Now, if I talk about the best practices in this program, or you can say some valuable insights of this program, so that students who are sitting outside the campus of Shama Prasad Institute of Technology and Management can get insights of it.
See, whatever may be the situation, whatever may be the scenario, the hospital industries are never at loss. So currently we saw the pandemic situation. All the industries were suffering a lot, but it was not in the case of hospital industry. So it's very promising if you are a hospital management personnel and if you are working in a hospital industry. So it will never gonna shut you down financially. So it's very promising. And in SITM we have very good infrastructure which will be supporting students in achieving their endeavors in future.
Great, ma'am. Now, if I talk about the types of projects that the students are working on, or we can say the industry connect with this program, then what it would be?
Okay. So when we started, we had a few tie-ups with all the hospitals, and we have extended it vastly. Now we are connecting many hospitals outside West Bengal as well as inside West Bengal. So our internship and the placement opportunities have got vast. We just want the students to gain the basic theoretical knowledge here, and they will be making them ready, making them job ready with proper grooming, proper effective communication skills, so that they can face the hospital industry smartly.
Great, ma'am. So my last questions to you that what are the benefits and career options with this program? I guess these questions as students are eager to know about this. So if you can just elaborate about the benefits and the career options of studying hospital management in SIT.
Yeah, I would say that this BHM is far better than other normal graduation courses because it's a professional course. Whenever you're passing this course, you will be getting ample amount of job opportunities. Mainly during the course also, I'd like to say that during the course also we are providing internship. 2 times internship we are providing for a few months in the hospital, so that students can gain knowledge by working in various departments and all. So internship is there. After the completion of the course, placements are there. We'll be placing the students inside as well as outside West Bengal. So I think rather than studying a normal graduation course, BHM is much promising because there are many hospitals, many clinics, many nursing homes all over the India. A single hospital, we come to know that there are many departments. So we just can't imagine that if so many hospitals are there, so many departments will be there, and various managerial positions will be there. So there are, I think, vast career opportunities if we are studying this Bachelor of Hospital Management.
Very correctly said, ma'am. Though it was the last question, still I want to extend the one more question. That what are the advice you want to give to the students who want to pursue their career in hospital management, or who want to come in Shyama Prasad Institute of Technology and Management?
Firstly, as a faculty of Shyama Prasad Institute of Technology and Management, I would say that there is very friendly atmosphere. Everyone is very cooperating. Study environment, what we see, the academic environment is very necessary for the students to excel in their studies. So atmosphere is there in Shyama Prasad Institute, and obviously students have to work hard. We are there continuously to guide the students. So they will be studying. We will be making them learn new things. We will be making seminars. We will be arranging seminar conferences for them. Then we will be teaching them how to deal with the current scenario in the hospitals. There will be many problems during patient dealing and all. So we will be making them learn. Then how will you be dealing with the patients? If some scenario is there, how will you be dealing with that? How you will be maintaining the discipline of the organization? By maintaining the rules and regulations of the hospitals. So we will be making them job ready. We will be grooming them. We will be taking continuously English communication classes so that they are very confident, and they will be facing the interviewer smartly, so that they can with their theoretical knowledge as well as the practical insights which we are giving, as well as the confidence, as well as the smart English communication skills, they will be just cracking the interview and grabbing the jobs.
It's been great interacting with you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you so much from College Dunia's old team.
Thank you.